Sa unang araw ng pagdinig ng Senado sa bakbakan sa Mama Sapano, lumalabas na hindi pala nasunod ang entrance at exit plan para po sa operasyon. Muli ring naungkat ang papel ng sinuspinding si PNP Chief na si Alan Purisima na kasama rin sa pulong para ma-brief ng SAF si Pangulo Aquino ukol sa operasyon. Saksi si Ruth Cabal.
Planado raw pero bakit 44 pa ring miyembro ng PNP SAF ang napatay sa Oplan Exodus na kinasalaban sa mga international terrorists na sina Zulkifli Binhir alias Marwan at Basit Usman. Sa inisyal na pagsisiyasat ng Board of Inquiry, lumabas na ang orihinal na plano sa pagpasok at paglabas sa target area hindi nasunod noong January 25. Ito dapat ang posisyon ng 392 tauhan ng SAF na kasama sa operasyon sa pagitan ng alas 2:30 hanggang alas 3 ng madaling araw noong January 25. Dapat nasa target area na kung nasaan si Marwan ang 84th Seaborne. Dapat namang halos kalapit na nila ang 55th Special Action Company na magsisilbing blocking force habang nakakalat na sa di kalayuan ang iba pang grupo. Pero heto ang nangyari, pasado alas 4 na ng madaling araw dumating ang 84th Seaborne sa target area. At kahit di kompleto, nagpasya na silang arestuhin si Marwan na nauwi sa bakbakan at pagkakapatay sa terorista 4:15 a.m.
There is a gap between the plan and the actual. Except for the Seaborne unit, the other units did not reach their designated positions. The movement of the Seaborne took about 2 hours longer than planned. They were delayed by the difficult terrain and the strong river current near the target.
Malayo rin sa plano ang naging posisyon ng ibang grupo. Ang 55th Special Action Company, malayo pa sa unang grupo pasado alas 5 ng madaling araw kung kailan nakabakbaka na sila ng mga kalaban. Sa kanila nanggaling ang 35 sa mga napatay na SAF. Iba rin sa plano ang posisyon ng 42nd at 45th Company na nagkasama na lang sa lugar na ito kung saan binakbakan din sila ng mga kalaban. Dahil dyan, hindi na rin nasunod ang exit plan. Pansinin kung paano nalihis ang dinaanan ng Seaborne matapos silang mapatay si Marwan. Ilang beses silang may nakabakbakan. Yan ay habang patuloy na binabakbakan ang 55th Company.
Both Seaborne and 55th SAC were under heavy rifle and mortar fire. While moving, the Seaborne teams engaged various armed groups from all directions. For hours until late in the afternoon at around 1800, they fought their way out, dragging their killed and wounded comrades.
Ayon sa report ng BOI, 7:25 a.m. nag-request ng backup ang SAF mula sa military. Pero 10:30 ng gabi na na-rescue ang mga SAF na naipit.
Ang problema po kasi, pag humingi po kayo ng artillery fire, tatlo pong bagay ang kailangan natin na maklaro. Nasaan ang kalaban, nasaan ang tropa, at dapat merong forward observer. There was no request for air support. And then of course, if we did provide air support, again, it will inflame the situation because the MILF might think that we are attacking them already.
Sabi pa ng report ng AFP, pasado alas 5 ng umaga noong January 25 na nila nalaman ng operasyon. 6:04 a.m. naman humingi ng saklolo kay Western Mindanao Command Chief, Lieutenant General Rustico Guerrero, si PNP OIC Leonardo Espina. 8:20 a.m. nakapagpadala ng reinforcement galing sa Philippine Army matapos makipag-ugnayan sa iba pang AFP units at maging sa Government MILF Ad Hoc Joint Action Group o AJAG.
Tried to link up with elements of the 55th SAC but failed because there is no contact and communication to them, and it was an open field.
Kabilang sa napuna ang paraan ng koordinasyon ng PNP sa AFP.
Coordination, in fact, considering the many dimensions of this, cannot be verbal. It cannot be a text message. Proactive ito dahil iniiwasan natin na magkaputukan. Once magkaputukan, ang hirap pigilin yan. Like in this case, it took us almost 12 hours to stop the fighting.
Sabi ni Peñas, nakokompromiso ang kanilang operasyon kapag marami raw ang nakakaalam.
The information and preparations of operations are leaked whenever major operations against high-value targets are conducted, as the subjects, both Marwan and Usman, are being cuddled by the MILF, whose members have lots of contacts with the AFP and PNP.
Katunayan, 6 na beses na nilang sinubukang hulihin si Marwan simula noong 2010 at 2 beses silang natakasan. May pagkakataon namang hindi natuloy ang operasyon tulad noong April 25, 2014. Ang dahilan,
Yung inabandon kami ng 6th Infantry Division by not providing the mechanized brigade during our operations despite due coordination with them. Napakasakit na pangyayari po yon.
There's no truth to that nga.
Yung nag-withdraw.
We never abandoned and we never withdrew our support.
bukod sa mismong plano, nasita ang papel umano rito ni dating PNP Chief Alan Purisima. Ayon sa sinibak na hepe ng SAF na si Director Getulio Napeñas, kamiting nila kaugnay ng operasyon si Purisima kahit suspendido na ito noon pang December 4. Dinala pa raw sila ni Purisima noong January 9 sa bahay pangarap na tirahan ni Pangulong Aquino sa Malacanang Complex para i-brief ang Pangulo kaugnay ng operasyon. Binilinan sila makipag-ugnayan sa Armed Forces of the Philippines ng Pangulo na hindi na raw iimbitahan sa pagdinig ng Senado. Si Purisima naman may binilin din kaugnay kina PNP OIC Deputy Director Leonardo Espina at DILG Secretary Mar Rojas.
Police Director General Purisima, when he came out, he stated, huwag mo munang sabihan yung dalawa, saka na pag nandun na. Ako na ang bahala kay General Katapang.
You took it as an order, sir, or he was just advising you?
It's a statement of General Purisima which I considered, considering the fact that he is the one being constantly asked by the President on the intricacies of the operation, and he is the one principal officer who has the intelligence packet.
If ever I uttered words to that effect, it was in the form of an advice, not as a directive or order. This may be also in support to their plan that they will inform everyone time on target.
General Napeñas, you by your lonesome knew about it. General Espina, General Purisima did not know about it, and you by your lonesome knew about it.
You did not participate in the meetings?
I participated. I listened to the meetings, Your Honor.
You participated by simply listening?
Yes, Your Honor.
You did not say anything?
Because in the updates of their plan, Your Honor, I think that is already correct, Your Honor.
So, yeah, you did not say anything?
No, Your Honor.
Pero 6 na araw bago ang operasyon, nag-text at nangamusta pa raw si Purisima kay Napeñas kaugnay sa misyon. At nung araw mismo ng operasyon, si AFP Chief of Staff General Gregorio Pio Katapang naman ang tinext. Sa ilang punto ng pagdinig, naging emosyonal si Napeñas at maging ang mga kaanak ng mga napatay na SAF.
Mission accomplished. This is only the word that the SAP troopers need to hear. Only that it happened with a high price. The lives of our 44 brave young men, our heroes, our true tagaligtas.
Ang mga kaanak hindi pa rin daw kontento sa mga narinig na paliwanag.
Nagpapasapasahan po Yung point na gusto naming marinig sa kanila, hindi pa po kami nasasatisfied.
I'm very sorry, hindi. Kasi sa amin, it's very confusing. Their statements, hindi pari-parihas ang sinasabi.
Ako, si Ruth Cabal, ang inyong saksi.